Little storyteller.
Once upon a time, on a big game board with colorful spaces and wiggly paths, lived little game piece friends. There was Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny blue armor and a cheerful smile. Then there was Pip, a little pink meeple with big curious eyes and a fluffy tail. Sir Reginald thought the best way to play the game was to follow all the rules very carefully. He started a group called the Knight's Righteous Path Party. They believed that moving in turns and staying on the colored squares was the most important thing. Pip had a different idea. She loved to hop and skip around the board and thought it would be fun if everyone could move however they liked. She gathered her friends and called their group the Meeple Majority Movement. They thought playing should be about fun and trying new ways to move. One sunny afternoon, Sir Reginald and Pip met by a sparkling blue river that flowed across the game board. "Pip," said Sir Reginald, his armor gleaming, "the rules help us all play fairly." "But Reginald," Pip replied, her fluffy tail twitching, "sometimes it's fun to try different things." They talked for a while, sharing their ideas. Sir Reginald learned that trying new things could be exciting, and Pip understood that rules can help everyone play together nicely. They decided to try something new together. They made a rule that everyone would take turns moving on the colored squares, but sometimes, if they landed on a special star space, they could do a little hop or wiggle. All the game pieces loved this new way to play. They learned that following some rules and trying new things could be fun for everyone. From that day on, playing the game was even more fun. The Knight's Righteous Path Party and the Meeple Majority Movement learned that the best way to have fun together was by listening to each other's ideas and finding ways to make everyone happy. And that, my friends, is a very important rule for playing and for life.
Please subscribe. Thank you.